come over here and look what's coming out of this big pile of wood chips.
Rhubarb.
More rhubarb.
Magic.
Looks kind of, rhubarb always looks kind of prehistoric to me when it first sticks out, you know?
It really does. It's something.
Yeah. Does anyone want some rhubarb? Because truth be told, we don't actually eat a lot of rhubarb. Maybe I could give it to more friends.
Maybe we could just eat more of it.
Yeah, it must be healthy for you.
I like it.
Yeah.
What's the matter?
I'm being eaten by a fly. It's black fly season here.
As of today, they just came out. They're very hungry.
Thank you. Some teeth marks, some holes. It'll work. And then look what's coming up here.
Ooh, what's going up here? Ooh, on the wrong side of the bed. Does it matter?
I'm just gonna let it grow and then maybe I wanted to downsize our rhubarb population, but that's not
Happening.
the case. So. And then I found this just laying on the ground.
What is that?
This is another mass of rhubarb, and the root is, you know, it's a giant root of carbohydrate, so it's putting out leaves.
Ooh.
A lot of rhubarb. I wanted just one plant, and now I've got
I
one,
love
2,
rhubarb.
3, 4. All right, well, I love you, so I will grow rhubarb. Garlic
Garlic.
coming up,
you
really
remember,
nice.
Do you remember what kind?
I have it written down.
Where?
In the basement. I tacked it up on right by the door.
All right.
I have a plan. I did some soil tests. We made a video about that previous. I'll link to that. We just got the soil test back. Big problems with the garden soil. So we're gonna make a video about that. That'll post next week.
Big problems.
But I'm gonna have some of my garden friend experts talk to me about what to do.
What a good retriever girl you are. Thank you. Thank you, kid. I'm busy.
Elderberry. We have an elderberry plant that grows around the side of the woodshed, and I dug part of the, like a spur out of it, and I planted it here. Elderberries are great for birds, especially migratory birds. And this is a part of my garden where I'm just I have some little nursery plants I'm trying to elderberry rescue, I guess you'd call it.
Is it Elda or Elder?
Elderberry, I think. You can make jam out of the berries, but we use them, we save them for the birds. But what's really cool is this is kind of woody, weedy area of the yard, right?
Most of it is.
But to beat back the weeds, I've done this cardboard. So this is cardboard I put down last year, and you cover with wood chips. And the area where you're going to be growing your plant, actually the wood chips should be pulled back here a little bit, so I'll do that. Well, you don't want the wood chips up against your plant because it can cause it to rot.
No.
Super healthy, holds all the moisture in, keeps all the weeds down so the weeds don't compete with the plant you're trying to grow.
I think this is a good video of all the black flies.
Yeah, but just the power of cardboard and wood chips is amazing.
The power of cardboard. Quote of the day.
But we know one plant that will persevere through wood chips is rhubarb.
Yes.
This is an elderberry. I got a couple elderberry plants from Fedco because I wanted to see what the difference was between my native elderberries and these. So I don't know, they were inexpensive and I really like Fedco. So whenever I'm planting something in my little nursery, I stick a big stick next to it. So hopefully I don't whack it with the weed whacker and stuff, you know?
Because with elderberries, you have to have males and females next to each other. Is that true?
I don't know. Someone will tell us in the comments. Do you need more than one elderberry for berries? Let me know. All right, come.
Ah! Is that the old bed?
This is the old bed.
Oh my gosh, how many years old was that bed?
Like 10 years. This is untreated lumber. You can use treated now. We did make a video about that, but this is a new system. This video will be coming out in a couple of weeks. If you want to subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll know that. Or you can join my email list. I send out an email every week. telling you about what's going on in my world. But I really like this newer design, which we'll go into in detail in the video. I love raised bed gardening. I have some physical issues, as we all know, but you can just sit on the edge and you can garden and then you could play with your dogs. Is this out of a boot or something? Is this out of...
Yeah.
It's like a piece of felt or something?
It's like, I don't know. It's like wool. It's like one of those special wool.
Oh boy.
She's strong.
Andy, they're both strong. They have a low center of gravity. Oh, that's hot.
Is that just rot, or did something eat the insides of that?
Well, when a wood rots, it's being decomposed by microorganisms and also like ants. There's insects that like to chew wood. So, yeah.
Nature.
It's nature. Nature happens. Nature always wins. But this will be dahlias. We have one video about dahlias. We're going to make more. Try dahlias. They're beautiful, and you literally can put them in and they grow. You have to dig them out in the fall. That's not a big deal to us, especially in the raised bed. Makes it very easy.
When are we going to put them in?
Whatever Aaron from the Impatient Gardener tells us to.
Well, it's way too early, I think. 'Cause
Yeah.
it could still freeze here.
After black fly season.
Yeah. You're funny. I got work to do, y'all.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi. Oh, I was busy with the puppies.
Clearly. So this is the next bed we're going to rebuild. We'll make a video about this. Again, you want to subscribe or join my email list, I'll tell you about that. This actually has my original irrigation system still in it. Copper.
It's a box of peas.
Yeah, this is the first year that I've done this, but I bought sugar snap pea seedlings.
Cheater peas.
Oh, I never thought that's a great sound. Cheater peas. This is a bed with soil problems. I got the test back, and I'm like, on the GardenFork podcast, I'm gonna have Aaron and Scott, two experts, talk about the results and how to remedy it, because it's not a simple out-of-the-box remedy that I have to do here. But I'm gonna scoop out some soil here and drop in my sugar snap peas, because we love sugar snap peas. They're really easy to grow.
Let me guess, this is where we're going to talk about rattlesnake beans.
I leave this up just to bother the camera operator, but I keep telling her it's my way of seed saving, because there's actually seed pods in here.
Are you going to actually use them?
Ooh, they look kind of shot. Ooh, maybe I could try. Rattlesnake pole beans.
Told you.
I don't know, we could try planting them in. We could put them in the ground, see what happens. I mean, that's what GardenFork really is, right? Hey, let's try this. See what happens.
Learn from your mistakes.
Yeah. Yeah, this is my second garlic bed. Again, really good harvest. I mean, really good sprouting, I guess. I'm pulling some weeds out here. I mean, if you just have some time to kill, you can hang out in your garden, play with plastic food containers. Drop. This is our compost container from the kitchen, and it got dropped on the way back to the kitchen, and so now I have my compost hauler out of the bed.
Oh dear.
That's gonna get destroyed. I'm not cleaning that up, you are.
Do you want me to go get it?
Come here.
Oh dear. We can't see it through the black fly.
Another raised bed, good crop, and really easy to grow. Filaree Farm is a great place to get garlic from, seed garlic. Spiker, come here. Hello. This kale was eaten down in the winter, but the stalk still stayed in the ground, and I just left it, and I was like, oh, let's see what happens here. So this is the second year of kale. This will grow out. We can harvest this, but it'll also go to seed in the second you'll flower and want to put out kale seeds. So something like this, I'll just take the young leaves and then I'll just pull it out of the ground and put something new in. Speaking of something new,
Oh,
have you guys ever grown Mizuna?
yes.
This is a Japanese mustard. It is delicious in salads.
Spicy.
It's really easy to grow. It gets some flea beetles. If you have flea beetle issues, you might want to put some cover, remake cover over it.
Do we have flea beetle issues?
It just depends on the year. But it's delicious. It's in the mustard family. Yum. And then I'm also going to put regular lettuce. This bed is the shadiest, gets the least sun. So this will go in here. What are you doing in your garden?
We have tail metronome.
I'm kissing my dog. So if you want to spend some more time together,
I can't see you. All I see is...
if you want to spend some more time together, me and the pups, there should be a video floating somewhere here. Sign up for my email newsletter, find out when I put out new videos. Go out and do cool stuff and make it a great day. I'll see you in the next video.
I gotta go do cool stuff.
This is cool stuff.
She is cool stuff.